Does the size matter or motion in the ocean?
Baby, you should know this.
That I ain't going
nowhere.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. And I wasn't going.
What's up, K-Squad? It's Kaylin. You look around, Kayla's not here once again because she decided she want to go study, which is fine, I guess. And we're on the rooftop. We finna do a mukbang, obviously, from the title of the video. Okay, y'all, we did a change of scenery because outside was a little too loud and I couldn't understand. I couldn't focus. I couldn't even get my thought together. We got our food. Show your food, Jay. Oh, did I ask for wrench?
I put wrench in there.
Oh, did you? Okay. Let me check. Oh, you sure did. You so clutch. We finna chow down. What is that? A window? Okay. Jay, I have a question. My question is for our mukbang. The first question is, can you date someone that doesn't have a job but they're trying?
What you mean by trying?
They like going to interviews.
Okay. Yeah. I can mess with somebody that's trying. No.
But what if they was like, man, I don't got a job, but they scamming?
That's a job. That's a job. If you got some type of income or money, that's a job.
Okay. Okay, so what if you was like rich, but you was like this boy trying to talk to you, but he like work at like a regular store, like a retail store.
Oh, he just work at a retail store?
But you rich and famous. Could you date a regular nigga? Oh, a regular guy?
I mean, yeah. If I like it, yeah. No.
So it doesn't matter about the money, because you got it. That's all that matters.
I ain't counting your pockets, don't count mine.
Okay, we're not married.
Okay.
And as far as I know, we won't be married anytime soon.
Right.
Stack your money up, Bookie.
Right.
But no shade on T. I think I can too.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's better to not date a famous
because you think you are that. Yeah, you think you are that. Like, ain't even nothing wrong to think that you are that because everybody should. But when they start studying and doing all this and that, that's when it gets to be too much.
So when you said Buffalo, they out.
Y'all, they messing up my order. I said I wanted hot lemon pepper wings. Us black folks know what that is. These people put lemon pepper wings and then that's not what I want. And then I said fried hard. They're not even fried hard.
She said, well done.
Like, what? Alright.
Okay, how do you feel about a white guy dating a black girl versus a black guy dating a white girl?
Y'all, and I feel so strong about this. It's different. It's so different.
Let us know.
When girls
ignore the back because
like, they on some clown.
what the fuck?
Okay. When a black dude date a white girl, I feel like they try to use that as revenge to like black girls, like, oh well, they don't act like this, they don't act like that. Who cares? But when a black girl date a white man, we actually date for like our intentions. Like our intentions are so pure for that. But
I feel like
tomato.
I feel the same way, but I don't think people ready for that.
Oh, they're not ready for that at all.
Well, at our school, there's so many black guys that's quick to date a white girl.
It's a lot of black guys here that's not black. Y'all know what that means.
Yeah.
Y'all know what that means.
Y'all know.
So, when those, I don't blame for dating that race because that's who they are, literally.
They grew up
Yeah.
dating, around that. So, but these people won't even give us a chance. It's so sad. I'm like,
Won't even look our way. But these white girls be trying to be like black girls so bad. You got it?
baby, you know what's my pet peeve that white people do? Was what they do it here. They quick to say something ghetto.
Hell yeah.
I'm like, ghetto? I don't think that should be in any Caucasian people vocabulary. I'm sorry. Y'all feel the same way or no?
Some of them do, but majority of them here don't. So
I'm like, ghetto.
yeah,
Just for example, they're like, right now this music playing is so ghetto.
because it's loud, but it's like they don't know how to use it.
The right term. That's not the right term.
So therefore, you shouldn't be using it at all.
Like, that don't have nothing to do with you. Anyway, Jay, do you think you could be a housewife or a stay-at-home mom, or you gotta work? You gotta go get your bag.
Now, just because of me, I gotta go get a bag. But like later on in life, like maybe like my 30s, like 40s, like I'm gonna want to not go to work, like. But
So you wanna be a stay-at-home mom in your 30s?
hell yeah.
That's in 10 years. So you said you conquered and did everything by 30.
Shit, I'm gonna try.
Okay. Me,
But I feel
I
like
always said I want to be, not even say, I wanted to homeschool my kids until first grade. Because I'd be nervous for my kid to leave with this American school system. And then, I don't know, but at the same time, who know my lifestyle when they in first grade? I'd probably be outside. I say that now, and I'd be probably be ready to take my kids to school. Like, get out of my face. So,
your ass going to school.
your ass is going to school. Let the teachers deal with it.
That's what y'all get paid for.
So what you think about girl code? Like, what is it? How you stick by it?
A very important girl code for me is always being happy for your friends.
Ooh, yes.
'Cause
Talk about it.
y'all, if you're not happy for your friends, I feel like as that point,
Even when they wrong.
yeah, but it's like
I used to tell your friend when they wrong.
you should hold your friend accountable. You should be happy for your friend. You should do the most, well, not the most, but you should advise your friend just to be the best that they can, because that's your friend. Like, why wouldn't you? Like,
Right. Why would you be around somebody that you're not happy for?
you'll be surprised.
People be bitter. People want to see you do good, but
they
never
be-
better than them.
Yeah, never better than them though.
They want to see you do good, but never better than them.
But they don't.
Especially as a black person doing better than them,
Oh.
they sick.
Yeah, I don't.
They be sick. Like, damn,
Y'all just gotta
be under their skin.
be around people that's more like you, like that have goals for themselves. You can't be around nobody that's just so fucking, so used to being stagnant all the time. Like, like don't ever get comfortable, like, ever.
Yes, I was reading something last night about Mike Todd, which y'all should read this book called Crazy Faith. He said no one has ever been successful in life by being comfortable. You gotta be comfortable for being uncomfortable.
And I agree with that so much.
And once you be comfortable with being uncomfortable, you can start to be successful. I said, okay, well, let me get uncomfortable.
Right?
Because a lot of people comfortable where they at.
So
And that's why they see no
But, like,
process.
We so young, we shouldn't even feel like we should have the mindset to be comfortable. You know what I mean? Because we have so much potential to fulfill.
Agreed.
I feel like people should most definitely surround themselves with people that have high goals, high expectations, because it's gonna want to push that friend, or it's gonna push you even more.
I feel like you should be friends with someone that got connections. Networking. One thing about me, I'ma find me connection wherever I go. I'm like, so you know this person? Okay, well let me get your number so I can get connected with you, so they can connect me with them. And a lot of people be too comfortable being like shy. You know, I can't talk to them because I'm nervous.
Okay.
But you can never get anyone nervous.
Okay. Here's my question.
They finna play stuff with no lyrics. I don't like that.
Yeah, I don't like that either. What do you feel like has changed about you from freshman to sophomore year? It's only 1 year, but a lot can change in 1 year. So what do you think changed?
Ooh, I feel like, well, this year, my word of the year is confidence. So I feel like my confidence, especially for like, you know, when I tackle exams, you know, I was nervous and like doubting myself. So I've been praying over confidence this year and not settling for, the bare minimum. I'm not taking none of these boys serious. Last year I was like, freshman year, I want to get in a relationship. They'll wait. They'll be there always. Like, they'll always be there. So that changed.
Different ones every year. Think about it.
Different one every year. What changed from you, for you? Besides...
Y'all, it's a lot to change about me. Okay, so...
Bear, tell us.
I would say...
Bear us the news.
My schooling, because I was a nursing major like her and her sister.
Oh, yeah.
Not a nursing major no more. I'm an exercise science major.
And how was that?
Good.
Okay, good.
Amazing.
Better. Less stressful.
Less stressful. And then
this ain't no honey hot.
what the fuck is that?
This is like a bare naked
Ooh,
one.
that was scary.
Jada, don't say that.
Okay, y'all. I changed the people that I was around. I love that for me. And then I changed my mindset a lot, I will say. I'm just starting to get closer with God for sure. Way closer with God. I feel like that's so important for me. A lot starts coming together once you strengthen your relationship with God.
Once you keep God at the center. I don't know how people go without having a relationship.
Because that's how it was last year, and that's why I felt like I was just so out of whack. Like I had myself together, but
something was missing.
Something was just missing. You know what I mean?
That's God.
Yep.
One thing I'm gonna have is God at the forefront, center. Through God, all things are possible. Oh, I'd be so emotional talking about my relationship with God, because won't He do it?
He will.
Won't He
Every
do
time.
it? No, nobody else will, but God. But
Not that professor, not that man.
heavy on not that man.
Heavy on
What man? What man? That species. I am anti-man. Jay.
I mean, but hey.
Jay's pro-man. Yeah, I'm anti-man. Not saying that I'm anti, like, dating them in the future. I'm just anti-man right now. But to be fair, I kind of am not really kind of talking to somebody. Kind of. Don't get too excited, because I don't think that might go too far.
When the last time you talked to him?
2 days ago. How do you talk to somebody
How do you
every
wanna
other
talk
day?
to somebody?
Every other 2 days.
Don't work like that, guy.
And I'm not even the one that said something first. Jay, tell them the story what happened. I came out of my comfort zone, because you can't get nowhere with being comfortable. So Jay approached me and said, "Kay, I think so-and-so like you because, I think so-and-so want to talk to you, but they too nervous because you come off as aggressive." So I was like, well, dang, you right. I do
Very aggressive.
I do come off a little aggressive because I don't want nobody playing on my top.
Y'all, this man literally tapped her. She like, I'm like, damn, Kay, like, you didn't even have to look at me.
His
like
my
that.
facial
But
like features like it goes like it be on 10.
I
Like
do understand.
calm
I
down.
understand the facial expression thing, but his voice changed. I was just like, oh, baby.
I am not that scared that your voice got to shift as a man.
As a man. Okay, what's your favorite restaurant on campus?
On campus, obviously Having House.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Valid.
You?
Sure. I like the arena food. It's more of like what
yeah.
I would eat.
Arena food good.
Arena
We're
food.
eating it right now.
We're eating it right now. We got Chick-fil-A. That's like a
A go-to, everyone favorite.
go-to. We got Jimmy John's. Never tried that yet. They're only
Oh,
open
yeah.
for 4 hours a day.
Jim John's. Haven't had that, and it's been open since.
What? Since we got here.
Right, back in August.
Yep.
Long time ago. Does the size matter or motion in the ocean? And you talk about my face? See? Replay that clip.
Yeah, I have not said that. Motion and knowledge. Well, let's be technical. You gotta come with both here.
Oh, okay.
But not for me, but to whoever is a virgin.
Oh, okay.
So, my girl right here.
Ooh. cut the camera's dead ass. Okay, I'm taking notes, Jay.
Okay. You got any more questions?
Questions that can't be talked about on camera.
Y'all, if y'all think about doing something with a nobody, don't just cut it. Don't have a say. Oh, well, maybe no. It's not that, baby. Just don't do it.
Are you talking from experience?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm just trying to say clear the error now.
No, I'm not talking from experience, guys.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Jay dropping some knowledge for y'all.
Cause these girls be throwing me off here. Oh well, he was just mad. Who gives a fuck? If he was mad, girl, you grown as hell. You didn't give a fuck
Jay's
to my
clearly
room.
pissed about the topic.
Y'all,
Yeah.
these girls be pissing me off here. Like, oh my god.
They just like very they be so quick to jump to somebody.
And then they don't have no type of backbone.
Yeah, also y'all, so sorry that I haven't posted a video in weeks. I've been talking about doing video all the time, right, Jay?
Yeah.
And I haven't been procrastinating. It just like school. Can we talk about how school is not for everybody?
Not.
School be getting in the way.
Of a lot.
Life been getting in the way. So much stuff is going on.
You
Like,
using your wrench?
yes, later.
You need it?
But life been getting in the way. And I'm like, oh, I gotta film a YouTube video, but haven't been able to because of everything. Clearly you don't see Kayla here because
School.
school. So it's like our schedules keep on interfering with each other. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to just record it without her and she can be in the next one. And next one we probably need to do like a bigger mukbang with a lot of people so it can be super funny. We should have my friend Hope join because this girl got a lot of things to say that's so funny. She just like a troll, the biggest troll you know. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Right.
Now, tell them, Jay.
Right now.
Right now, I don't even know how you watch this whole video without subscribing. That's what's getting me.
You're supposed to do that at the beginning.
When it says subscribe. Anyway, I love y'all. Make sure you share this video. See y'all next time. Probably with Kayla.
Right.
Bye.